So this is kind of like a two people job.
Away for 2 minutes, Manny takes over, everything's done.
I'm going to show you the classical, controversial pasta dish, La Puttanesca, which translates to the whore's pasta or the prostitute's pasta. Some people believe that, and there's probably some connection to that in the Naples region. But truly, the dish comes from the Italian phrase, la puttanata, and it means you just kind of take everything in the kitchen and just throw it in a pan. It's a puttanata. It's just this garbage pasta. So we're gonna make a garbage pasta right now, and you're gonna enjoy it. We're gonna start off. The ingredients: I have some fresh garlic. We're gonna slice up. I have some fresh basil, parsley, a little bit of chili flakes, capers, olives, some anchovies. We have to use my jarred tomato sauce because we have to. Some fresh Parmesan cheese, a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna start off, put the olive oil in the pan, add your garlic and your anchovies. We're gonna start cooking. Once the garlic starts sizzling, we're gonna add a little bit of chili flakes, just to give it a little bit of heat. We're gonna break the anchovies up into pieces. Once it's tender, we're gonna add our capers. We're gonna add some olives. You can smell that anchovy. We're gonna add some tomatoes. We're gonna let that simmer. I made some fresh pasta with Manny. So this is a pappardelle noodle. It's nice and broad. We rolled in some parsley leaves, which is perfect for this dish. We're gonna drop it right into our salted, boiling water. I put a little bit of olive oil in there too. We're gonna chop up some fresh basil. We're gonna chop up the fresh parsley. Add that right to our pan. We're gonna add a little bit of the pasta water. Anytime your sauce gets too thick, you just thin it down with the pasta water. That's how all the Italian grandmothers do it. We're gonna check our pasta, see if it's not cooking. You're gonna wait till it floats to the top and then give it a good minute. That's pretty good. You want it nice and firm to the bite, but you want to make sure it's cooked too. It can't be raw, but you don't want it mushy. Mix it up with the sauce. That is beautiful. When you take all the garbage in your kitchen and you come up with something like this, it's pretty neat. There's enough pasta here, I might have to share this. Maybe. You want to make sure you have enough, put enough sauce on top. We're going to finish with some fresh Parmesan cheese right on top. This is pretty good. Maybe just a little more chili flakes. Okay. like I'm in Italy. Thanks for tuning in.